So it is very useful. Today's lesson is very useful because every time you cannot use Tuakaso, you are stuck. Or I cannot remember which is opposite, adjacent, hypo. I can now use sine rule for all triangles. I can use sine rule for all triangles. What is the condition of using sine rule? It's very simple. The condition is this. This is very important. I will use it when I have an angle and an opposite side. Okay, I explain to you what I mean. Why trigo is so easy to do? As long as you know what formula to apply, most of the time you will be able to get the answers. So we look at this picture here. Do we have an angle and an opposite side given? Do we have an angle and an opposite side given? Do we have that? Look at this picture here. It's going to work for all triangles. No more right angle triangle. It will work for all triangles. I have the angle and the opposite side given here. So immediately, class, you will use sine rule. You don't care what the question asks you for. You just use sine rule. You will get 2 marks straight away. How do I use it? I will have 9 over sine 101. So I know I will use it. I need another length and sine angle. So which one do I want? Definitely I want y, right? Because y is the one that the question asks for. So what is opposite of y? Which angle is that? Opposite of y? I will have sine 56. Yeah, 56 is the angle, so I write sine 56. So in order to get 2 marks, very simple, you need to write this out, which is not difficult, and you need to find y. So I will use this multiplied by sine 56. Remember your Tuakaso? You cross multiply out. So press your calculator, 9 over sine 101 degrees times sine 56 degrees. And that's it. Someone can you please give me the answer? Okay, thank you all so much. Sorry, it's units. Now let's look at a different example now. So instead of doing blindly, all right, we will do a visual check. Do we have opposite pairs given? Do we have an opposite pair given? Can you all look at the diagram? Do you have an opposite pair given? So we will start with that. Since the question is looking for the angle, so I will start with the angle sine theta over what? There are 3 things you can put. So what is the correct value? What's the correct value? Want to try? Is it 7, 32 or 5? What value? 5. Correct, 5. So sine theta over the opposite equals to sine 32, because that's the only angle, right? Over the opposite length. So what's the opposite length? 7. Now you have to do 2 steps now. First, we will cross multiply up the 5. So sine theta equals to sine 32 over 7 times 5. And the answer is 3785. So in order to find theta, I need to, you all remember? Inverse the sine 0.3785. And this is the last part before we proceed to cosine rule. So what will we get? 22.2 degrees, because angle 1 decimal place is enough. Okay, can we pause the video or stop the video? Thank you. Okay, so